All right, class, we're going to check out our worksheet for today. Have your Christ-Light sheet available to you. Here's what our worksheet looks like today. Remember, when we do our worksheets, we're going to start with our names at the top. Here comes the directions. It says, number the events in order in which they occur. The first one's done for you. Well, I don't think it's a good idea to go in different orders. So we're going to look for them in chronological order. We're going to look for number 1 first. So let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need to have 6 of them. What happened first in the lesson? Now, here's what I like to do. I like to look at my lesson. This is sequencing that we're working in reading. So, following a star, the wise men for these traveled to Jerusalem, went to Bethlehem, worshiped Jesus. Herod wanted to kill the baby. God warned them to go back a different way. Let's see if any of those come up here. Herod died. The angel told Joseph to go back. So that's from Egypt. The wise men left Bethlehem. Okay, that happened kind of at the beginning. I'm going to put a little B there. Archelaus was the king in Judah now. Okay, so that happened at the end of the story. Joseph followed the angel's commands and hurried to Egypt. I'm thinking middle. An angel appeared telling him to take his family. That was the beginning. Herod ordered all the boys in Bethlehem who were 2 years old or younger to be killed. All right, so the first one that we had in the beginning was the wise men left Bethlehem. That's the first thing that happened. All right. Now, the other one we thought was in the beginning was this one. An angel appeared to Joseph, telling him to take his family. Did that happen before or after Herod ordered the boys? Well, Jesus wasn't killed, so that happened before. So let's make this one 2. And let's say this Herod, the third one. What about this one? We're debating between these two. Joseph followed an angel's command and hurried to Egypt. Herod ordered all the boys in Bethlehem who were 2 years younger to be killed. In a dream, Joseph did what the angel said. When Herod realized the wise men had tricked him, then he ordered, okay, oh boy, we got this one first. Joseph followed, that's 3. And then this would be 4. Now, number 5, after Herod died, the angel told Joseph to return to Israel, which would leave the last thing that happened in the lesson. Archelaus was the new king. All right, part 2 is your assignment. We did the top together, putting things in sequential order. The bottom says, make the head look like yours. So me, I'm going to put some hair on mine. I have some eyeballs. Hope you do too. A nose, a mouth. So draw this figure. Make it look like yours. I'm going to give myself some spiked hair on the top. Maybe you got long curly hair. Whatever works for you. Get some eyes in there. Okay, so you got to finish the picture. Then you're going to have 2 different things you want to write down. In the speech bubble, on this side and this side, write 2 ways you can show your thankfulness that God has given you parents to keep you safe. Over here, I'm going to write, and I'm going to fill them all up. Some of you guys are writing like on one little line here. That's not enough. You give you about 10 lines. Fill these up. Fill these up. So my first one would be, I'm so thankful that parents keep me safe by providing me with food. How does that keep me safe? I'd starve to death and die if I didn't have food. So my mom makes me supper all the time. Actually, my wife does. She makes me supper all the time. She makes sure there's fruit in the house. There's plenty of water bottles for us to drink. And I'd add all this here. That's a great way to keep you safe. Now, I don't know about your house, but at our house, the last thing we do at the end of the day is make sure all the doors are locked, right? So she keeps us safe by locking the doors, keeping a watch on the neighborhood, visiting with our neighbors so that we're all on the same page. That keeps my neighborhood safe. So those are the 2 that I'm going to choose here. You got to come up with some ideas of how your parents keep you safe. Maybe they keep you safe by driving really well, okay? Maybe they keep you safe when you go out to new and strange places by holding your hand or maybe staying close to you in the stores. So ways your parents keep you safe. All right, when you're done, double check, make sure your name's on it, and then back into your folder. Enjoy your day.